Scared of change? Don't be, because change isn't happening to you, it's happening for you. Think of it, if nothing ever changed, you would never grow. You'd stay exactly the same forever, and life would become stagnant. Sometimes things have to fall apart so better things can fall together. You might outgrow people, places, or situations, but that doesn't mean it was a mistake. It means you are evolving. And every time you survive a change, you become stronger. You realise you're capable of handling anything life throws at you. Don't be afraid of the unknown. You're being led somewhere better. Trust the process. Everything is changing for the good.